Hey guys, and welcome back to Renee GTV. Today we're going to do a copycat Lipton onion soup mix. I don't know if you're like me, but I love to be able to get rid of boxes, packets, cans, anything like that out of my pantry. With this, you know exactly what goes in it and you can control it. So what we're going to start out with is a quarter cup of dried onion and half a teaspoon of parsley dried. You're just going to give those a little chop. You actually don't have to. But that is something I wanted to do. We're going to make burgers with this tonight. And then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of beef bouillon, and you can use any type that you want. We added half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder. We added 1/8 of a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and we also have 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. We're just going to mix that all together with a whisk or a fork, and then you're ready to add that to your recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Definitely give it a try. I think you're going to be surprised at how easy it is, and most of the time you already have everything that you need in your pantry. So let me know down below what you use Lipton onion soup mix in. I would love to know. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share me as well, and we'll see you next time. This is equivalent to 1 package of onion soup mix. You can make this up ahead of time and place this in a jar, and that way it's ready to go.